There's some chicken, sambal, and aromatic rice, flavored rice. Let's try.
The sambal very nice. Mochi ball with banana filling.